Now that we're ready to set the cups, one method is to use corrugated pipe, and we cut the pipe so that it's a couple inches longer than the actual cup size we're using, and we will use our knife and we'll cut a slit and separate it about 90% of the way down. Then you can use some duct tape just to kind of hold this together, but it's just loose enough or tight enough that you can slide the plastic cup up and down. Now we've dug out our hole to the appropriate height, which is just below the opening of the hole. Then from there, we'll take a concrete mixture that is pretty heavy or dry, if you will. It's more like an oatmeal. And then we'll use a level and we'll mix in around. We're not gonna fill the whole area in. We're just gonna do enough to hold it in place because we don't want to get any down on the inside of it so that water will drain all the way through, just enough to lock in around the outside. And we want to leave about 3 inches or better clearance from the top of grade so that we can then put our road-based material back in. We want to try to make this whole area more of our base material and not concrete so that we can smooth the surface out and make it match to the existing grade.